Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the 4x4 Woodworks Pergola Brackets Kit, a versatile solution for your outdoor construction needs. This kit includes 3-way and 4-way corner extension brackets, crafted from solid alloy steel and coated with a black powder finish for rust-proof durability. With a product size of 4x4 inches and a thickness of 2 mm, the kit features 4 3-way brackets, 2 4-way brackets, and 6 4x4 post bases, making it perfect for gardens, carports, and metal gazebo setups. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the high-quality screws and expansion bolts included, allowing you to set up quickly without any complex steps. These pergola brackets are designed for a wide range of outdoor settings, from residential gardens and patios to commercial parks and terraces, making them a popular choice for homeowners, landscapers, and contractors. The versatile design accommodates various materials, including treated wood and aluminum columns, giving you the flexibility to match your unique style and preferences. Whether you're aiming for the natural beauty of wood or the sleek modern look of aluminum, this pergola kit has you covered. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.